Good morning, dear students. This is your science teacher, and today I am going to teach you Science IIT. Okay, from last few videos, we continue with our sixth chapter of Science IIT, that is magnetism. In this chapter, I explain you about a famous scientist, Michael Faraday, and we already discussed on the different topics like magnets, what is magnet, and which type of materials are called as a magnet or non-magnetic materials. Poles of magnet we discussed, properties of magnet, and today we discussed on the making of magnets and methods of magnetization. Okay, so what is our topic? What's the name of our topic? Making an artificial magnet. We already discussed there are magnets are of two types: artificial magnet and natural magnets. What are the natural magnets? The magnets which we get from the nature are known as natural materials, natural magnets. Okay, and these magnets are known as a natural magnet are also known as a permanent magnet. Okay, and some magnets are prepared artificially, and it is produced by man. These are also known as a man-made, and the name of these type of magnet are artificial magnet. And the process of making an artificial magnet is known as magnetization. Okay, so the artificial magnet are more useful when we talk about uh, these days. There are artificial magnet is more useful than natural magnet. Why? Because natural magnet which we get from the nature is a permanent magnet, and it is used on a limited purpose. But artificial magnet, we are producing artificial magnet. Why? Electricity. So our many electrical gadgets and instrument, the electromagnetism is huge. Okay, the electromagnet is huge. So in this topic we discuss on these topics, and जो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट है उसकी कैपेसिटी को हम अपने अकॉर्डिंग इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं और उसको डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं. इसलिए जो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट है वो हमारी मींस आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट परमानेंट मैग्नेट के कंपैरिजन में ज्यादा यूज होती है. ओके, दे आर मेड इन लार्ज नंबर, इसको हम लार्ज नंबर में प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट is called magnetization. Okay, so there are two methods for the magnetizing of a piece of iron. So two methods we use. First method, mechanical method, and second one is electrical method. So first we see the mechanical method. Why we call this method is a mechanical method? We produce a artificial magnet mechanically. Let's see. So the mechanical methods we use by two ways: single touch method and double touch method. Okay, so in here you see the picture. In this picture, it is an example of single touch. Just a second. Okay, it is an example of single touch method, and this is the double or divided touch method. Okay, so here you see it is a iron piece, soft iron piece. Okay, it is a soft iron piece we take and put onto the table, and take a bar magnet. It is a bar magnet. We take a bar magnet and put one end of the bar magnet on the iron piece, and without changing the pole, we rub that pole in unidirectional mode. Means always rub this end on the magnet in this direction. So when we reach at this direction, uh, pull up that magnet and put again into the this end, and again rub on the iron piece. And this method we repeat at many times. Okay, rub on in this direction only, and pull up and put again on this end and rub it. So this iron piece, after some time, this iron piece working as a magnet. Okay, this is an example of artificial magnet, and this iron piece is magnetized. Okay, so it working as a magnet, but it is a temporary magnet. It's work for a limited time. Okay, and when we discuss about the second type, yeah, okay, double or divided touch method. In this method, we take a iron piece and put into the onto the table. Okay, and take two var magnet, one and two, and we put the both the we put both the piece we put both the piece onto the table in this way. One north pole of the var magnet, we put one end of a var magnet is north pole, and 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 south pole of another magnet onto the iron piece like this, and we rub these iron piece in this type of in this direction which we see in the image. This piece rub into this direction and pull up, and again put into the center and again rub and pull up, then rub, and this var magnet put into the center and rub in opposite direction and pull, and again rub, then pull and again rub from the center to the end. Okay, so we repeat this process many times, and after some time what we see? We see that this bar magnet is working as a magnet. What we see? This iron piece is magnetized. Okay, and we know that this is a temporary magnet, artificial magnet, and it works for a limited time. Okay, so this the end of this uh, the end of iron this this end of iron piece is working as a south pole, and this end is working as a north pole. Okay, and electrical method, this is our second method, electrical method. So by the name we are able to understand that why we call this method is electrical method. In this method we take iron rod, you see in this picture. Okay, we take a iron piece, okay, here, and coil a insulated copper wire on it. एक हम कॉपर वायर लेंगे इंसुलेटेड, मींस उसके ऊपर एक लेयर चढ़ी होगी कोई भी इंसुलेटेड सब्सटेंस की. ओके, आपने देखा होगा कॉपर वायर, उसके ऊपर एक लेयर चढ़ी होती है. So this wire is insulated. So we take insulated wire and coil on the rod, and both the end of wire connect with a battery. It is a battery which is made up of three cells. One, two, three cells. This battery is made up of three cells. Okay. So one end is connected to this end, this terminal of battery, and this end of wire is connected to the this terminal of battery. Okay, and here we connect the wire with a switch. So when we need, so we on the switch, and when we don't need, so we off the switch. Okay, so when we flow the current, so when we pass the current through the battery in this wire. So after producing magnetic field by this electric wire, the iron nail working as a magnet. What we see, the iron nail magnetized. Okay, so it's attract the iron or steel things, and the magnet, the strength of the magnet is depend upon the different factors like the shape of the object and size of the object, and depend on the purpose for which they are be used. Okay, and we know that this type of magnet are known as electromagnet, and this magnet is temporary because when we switched off the current, they lost their magnetism. Okay, so only it work as a magnet for the time, for जिस टाइम के लिए हम उसमें करंट फ्लो कर रहे होते हैं, सिर्फ उस टाइम के लिए क्या होगा, वो मैग्नेट की एज अ मैग्नेट वो वर्क करेगा. ओके, देन come to the next point, advantages of electromagnet. We see advantages of, so what the advantage of electromagnet? Electromagnet can be easily magnetized. Okay, it magnetized very easily and demagnetized also. Why? Why turning or turning off the electric current respectively. Okay, when we turning on electric current, so it is magnetized, and we turn off the electric current, it is demagnetized. Okay, so we can make stronger electromagnet. We can make a stronger electromagnet than any other permanent magnet very easily. Okay, and the next advantage, why reversing the direction of current? Why reversing the direction of current? We can reverse the pole of the electromagnet. Means when we flow the current in this direction, so it working as these poles south and north. Okay, then we if we change the direction of current, if we flow the direction from this to this, so this working as the south and this working as the north. So by the change of direction we can change the poles. Okay, uses of electromagnet. So there are many use of electromagnets. Electromagnet are used for lifting heavy load and big machines, steel girders, and scrap iron objects for loading and unloading purpose. Okay, it is used to lift the heavy material or machines, because the permanent magnet or natural magnet is not able to hold the things against the gravity. Okay, so the electromagnet is used to lift the heavy materials. Okay, the electromagnet are used for making large number of electrical devices like electric bell is working on the basis of electromagnet. Loudspeaker, electric motor, electric fans, telephone instruments are made up of electromagnets. Okay, and another use, electromagnet are used to separate the iron or steel objects from the heap of the metal scrap we see in this picture. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, so you can ask. Good luck.